Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw a Song. Today we're drawing Peppa on their big summer slip and slide adventure. There are slides, splashes, even a chocolatey surprise later on. So grab your crayons and paper. It's time for drawing and coloring fun.
Yes!
Don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss a new Let's Draw adventure.
Sun is shining warm and white. Peppa shouts, let's slide, let's slide. Grab your crayons by your side. We'll draw our path down the water ride. Peppa Pig and George run fast. Water park day here at last. Let's draw the slides before we go. The twisty one, the rainbow flow. They color pools in sparkling blues. Flip-flop tracks and summer shoes. Peppa cheers, come on, let's glide. Big adventure on the giant slide. Peppa on the water slide. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Peppa on the water slide. Whoosh, 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 all day long. And the colors on the ride go splash, 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 splash. All the happy colors go splash, splash, splash on their slide adventure. Peppa draws a giant wave. George says, let's be super brave. They climb the stairs up way too high. Peppa squeaks, wow, look at the sky. George colors dolphins on the mat. Peppa laughs, it looks like it can splash. The lifeguard slips, splash, oh dear. Everyone giggles from ear to ear. Who can draw the tallest slide? We can draw side to side. Who will color water bright? We color waves so blue and light. Who can draw a brave big leap? We draw fun that's ours to keep. Who will color sunny skies? We color joy before our eyes. It's time at last, the biggest run. Peppa's ready for the super fun. They draw a rainbow on their float. They color hearts on George's boat. 3, 2, 1, the whistle blows. Down they zoom past twists and bows. They splash the pool in a giant swoosh. Peppa cries past stage. On the rush, the sleigh goes swoosh. Peppa on the water slide goes yay, 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 yay. Peppa on the water slide goes yay, yay, slide all day long. And the kids at the park go draw and color, draw and color, draw and color. Kids at the park go draw and color all day long.
amazing! Today we drew a song moment and had fun mixing art and music. If you love music and art, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. See you soon, friends! Bye!